So what have we got here then, Luke?
Hello again. Right, so last customer pond of the day. We're over in Alwoodley, and I'm going to show you the second of the glacial boulder style ponds which we built.
So when did you build this one?
This was built the end of last year. So here you have it. Yeah.
So I don't think I've seen this on social media.
Well, you're obviously not paying attention to Elevate Ponds properly, are you? No, it's definitely on there. Yeah, no. naughty pond advisor. You'll be looking tonight, won't you?
I will.
Oh, there it is.
I'll have a look, and it'll be like, oh, I remember that pond.
Yeah. So here you have it. I mean, we like everything we build, but I do really like this type of stone. But it seems actually probably more than 80% of our customers prefer the more local York stone, which we do some good stuff with. So yeah, this is just like
glacial boulders, mid-Wales stone.
Yep, from Clive, mid-Wales stone. Yep, he sent us up like 4 crates or something to do this. And then I think on this one the gravel was just sourced. We can just get locally the gravel and pebbles.
Small bags of gravel, keep it efficient.
Yeah, because I don't think we used even close to half a ton of gravel on this one. So just handy bags for this. On the bigger stuff like this morning, we'd get it by the ton bag.
I love the frogs.
Yeah, well the customer loves frogs. We have tried giving them a bit of frog spawn, but as of yet they've not hung around. So she's improvising with some artificial ones. But there you go, we've got the 400 skimmer, the 1000 biofall.
Is that the 1000? Isn't that funny? It looks bigger to me.
Yeah.
So it looks like the 2.5, but it may be just the size of the rocks.
Yeah. Well, it was a bit of an awkward sort of landscape because there was already a bit of a hole here because of what was here previously. And then by the time we got there, we didn't really want to go back further because the customer wanted just to have a bit of walking space around it.
Yeah.
So in terms of the length of the waterfall, there's not much to it. So we just worked with the height instead, and we just had like basically cascading down some large cobbles, small boulders if you like. And again, it's just quite different to pretty much anything else we've ever done, and love the result.
What's this?
So Elaine, Paul's wife, while we're building, she was mentioning, oh, will I be able to get in here and sit down? So we just rolled with that, and we just gave her a little boulder to perch on. I'm not going to do it now because I can't be bothered taking my trainers off.
Not with your trainers.
But yeah, we just put like a flat stone in there so she can actually get in there, soak her feet, sit on there, enjoy the feature. Just saying before, we did have a really nice piece of dogwood, but the customer's been creating another area over there, and they kind of nicked it from the pond to do something over here. They've also got a nice urn though, so maybe we can talk them into yet another feature just around here. So that's our nice piece of dogwood there.
Let's have a look at this.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I know. Better suited in the pond if you ask me, but they are creating a bit of I don't know.
Wildlife, you know,
nice
moss.
Abstract area.
It's a nice little shaded area, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that urn lends itself to a water feature.
Who knows? We also actually, after building this, we got called back. They had this sort of water blade in the back garden, and they were saying, can we do something? And I think it had kind of been built into the garage wall with a plumb, and it was a bit more hassle than it's worth. So we just put in a small babbling boulder around the back.
Should we have a look?
So it's nice and simple. It's just simple, very simple, but another little something. So come and take a look.
It's babbling water day.
Yeah.
It does.
Just a gentle feature.
It's lovely.
That pump might be due a clean. It's
so have you got underneath here just a
basin, basin pumping and drilled boulder.
So it's like a pebble, like a pre-formed small one?
Yeah, something like that. I can't even remember what it looks like.
Pebble pool type of, you know, like It's like a big flat plastic and then like a sump.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did you find Luke in the first place?
Where did we find him? I can't remember.
I think I went online.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're very pleased with it. Very pleased indeed. I look forward to it each day, coming out in the morning and sitting by the pond.
Lady Godiva like.
Lady Godiva like. So no horse. Dabbling my feet in the water. So I've done it.
Have you not used that yet? I was just telling Mark about that little little
Yeah,
seat
once.
and footresting area.
It's delightful. And it's been very good during lockdown.
Frog? You'd like the frogs? I've seen a lot of the.
Artificial.
Yeah.
Well, we've been unlucky with the frogs. I think the wildlife has been eating them.
Maybe, yeah.
The birds and the...
Or encouraging more foliage around the pond. That might encourage them. Because what I think with frogs is think of them as army men, and we've got a lot of mown or shingle around. So if you grow more grasses or cover, then they'll come.
We did have frogs spawn, and I think again it's been eaten.
Yeah,
Try again next year, eh?
quite possibly.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Okay.
Catch you in
Thank
a moment.
you. Where are we off to now?
Well, we've got through the day all right, haven't we? 4:30 now. You want to be in the road in an hour. We've done 6 customer ponds. We're not far from my house. Should we go and look at some nice Japanese koi?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Do you want to get on the drive?
No, it's all good. We're all good.
All right.
So we're at the homestead.
Yeah. Casa Elementio.
So do you bring people here or?
No.
No, okay. So just the viewers. Your viewing privilege.
Last feature might have to be aborted. It's all changed.
It's a good excuse to come back though, right?
Yeah, but this was forecast for most of the afternoon, and we've got 6 ponds in today and escaped it, so it's not all bad, is it?
No, not at
No.
all. Well, thank you very much for giving us a bit of a pond tour.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And
Wasn't
yeah.
long ago.
Look at that.
I know.
That is
my
crazy.
God. Wasn't long ago that I was watching you on videos,
Yeah.
taken on pond tours in America, and thinking, wow, look at that, those guys' ponds are so good that people are going around looking at them and filming them. And I'm not saying mine are that good, but we're doing a similar thing.
They are.
So it's all
and
good,
there's a sneak peek right out there.
Yeah, this has never been showcased. This is mine. This started off as plans for something else, just basically a bare liner pond, raised. But following a trip to Chicago, as soon as I got back, the plan changed, became...
CAC.
Are there many raised ecosystem ponds in the UK?
There's a few. There's not
a
many,
few,
but
yeah.
there's a few.
Yeah. Garden's yet to be finished. There's a lot of decking and stuff to do yet, but we'll get there. Maybe the garden will be finished when you return.
And you've
Who
got a
knows?
real powerful irrigation system.
Coming from the sky. I ordered it earlier. Yeah, everything was getting a bit dry.
So I remember there used to be a raised formal koi pool or something
Correct.
over there.
The first pond I ever built before the business started, about 8 years ago. It's just a small rectangular raised patio pond out of brick, and there was a window in it for the koi to swim past.
Is that blade still, or is that new?
It's the original blade,
Yeah.
but that was completely knocked down, and then that stone walling has been built since. In fact, that's why we've only got temporary steps, because we knocked them down knowing decking was going there, and
Yeah.
recycled a lot of the stone. Just leftover bits of stone I had and stuff from the step, and we made that stone wall.
Lovely. Well, I'll come back. I'll definitely be coming back to have a look at your pond and your beautiful fish.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
top man. See you next time.
We'll see you again. That's it. See you later, Luke.